What if I told you that Pi Network could be on the verge of a massive breakout? The price is already making waves, but is this just another hype cycle, or are we witnessing the beginning of something much bigger? With growing adoption, key developments, and speculation heating up, all eyes are on Pi. Could this be the moment Pi Network finally takes off? Stay tuned, because in this video, we'll break down the latest price movements, analyze what's really driving the market, and help you decide whether now is the best time to jump in before it's too late. Welcome back to the channel. If you're into crypto trading, price predictions, and finding hidden gems before they explode, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving deep into Pi Network's price trends and what could be in store for the future. Many traders and investors have been eyeing Pi, wondering whether it has real potential or if it's just another overhyped project. Let's break it down step by step. Pi Network has been gaining attention, but one of the biggest questions remains. How is it performing on exchanges? While Pi's price has seen some volatility, there are key factors that could determine its next move. If Pi gains mainstream adoption and secures listings on top-tier exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and OKX, its price could experience significant upward momentum. With increased liquidity, heightened investor confidence, and a broader user base, the demand for Pi could surge. Based on similar projects that transition from testnet to mainnet, we could see a potential price range of $5 to $50 within the first year post-mainnet. This estimate depends on several key factors, including adoption rate, exchange liquidity, market sentiment, and tokenomics. The more businesses and users that accept Pi as a means of transaction, the stronger its utility and demand will become. Listings on major platforms would increase accessibility, attracting both retail and institutional investors. If Pi is perceived as a promising Web3 or decentralized finance, DeFi, asset, speculation could drive its price toward the higher end of the range. Additionally, controlled supply releases and staking incentives could help maintain price stability and gradual appreciation. However, volatility is inevitable in the crypto space, and external factors like regulations, global market trends, and competition from other blockchain projects could influence Pi's price trajectory. That said, if the ecosystem flourishes and adoption scales rapidly, Pi could establish itself as a major player in the crypto market. If institutional investors jump in and Pi Network successfully establishes real-world use cases, the price could see exponential growth, potentially surpassing $100 plus in the long term. Institutional investment brings not only significant capital inflows but also increased credibility, mainstream recognition, and greater stability to the market. If major financial players, hedge funds, and venture capital firms begin to see Pi as a viable digital asset, their involvement could drive massive demand and long-term price appreciation. Beyond investment, the key to sustained value lies in Pi's real-world adoption. If Pi becomes widely accepted for payments, remittances, decentralized applications, DApps, and e-commerce transactions, its utility will skyrocket. Strategic partnerships with major businesses, fintech companies, and online marketplaces could further solidify its role in the digital economy. Additionally, if Pi integrates with decentralized finance, DeFi, ecosystems, enabling staking, lending, and smart contracts, it could position itself as a powerful Web3 asset. Market conditions, regulatory developments, and competition from other cryptocurrencies will play a crucial role in shaping Pi's long-term trajectory. However, if the project successfully navigates these challenges and builds a thriving ecosystem, surpassing $100 plus could become a realistic milestone rather than just speculation. However, if delays continue and no real adoption happens, we might see a flat or declining price trend. The Pi Network community is one of the strongest and most active in the crypto space, playing a crucial role in the project's growth and potential success. With millions of users mining Pi daily, the network has built a massive, engaged user base that continues to expand. Unlike many other crypto projects that struggle to attract and retain users, Pi has managed to sustain high levels of participation, thanks to its user-friendly mobile mining process and strong grassroots support. As the mainnet approaches full launch, the ecosystem is expected to grow rapidly. With more users completing KYC verification, the number of Pi holders who can fully utilize and trade their tokens will increase significantly. This transition will also encourage businesses and developers to build applications, marketplaces, and decentralized solutions within the Pi ecosystem, further strengthening its use cases. The more businesses that accept Pi as a means of payment, the greater the network effect, leading to increased adoption and value appreciation. Additionally, Pi's community-driven approach sets it apart from traditional cryptocurrencies. The team actively engages with the community, providing updates, hosting events, and encouraging participation in governance decisions. This sense of ownership and involvement fosters long-term loyalty, ensuring that Pi's growth is not just driven by speculation but by a real, thriving economy backed by millions of dedicated users. As the ecosystem expands and adoption scales up, Pi's strong community will be a driving force in shaping its future success. Currently, Pi is not fully listed on major exchanges, which means its liquidity and price stability are still in the early stages of development. As a result, the market for Pi remains relatively small and volatile, with limited trading opportunities. However, this also creates a unique window of opportunity for early investors in the Pi community, as the project has the potential to gain significant momentum once it secures listings on larger, more established platforms. If major exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, or Coinbase were to officially list Pi, the dynamics of its market could change dramatically. These exchanges would bring in a much wider pool of retail and institutional investors, increasing the token's accessibility to a global audience. With increased liquidity, Pi would become easier to trade, making it more attractive to investors who seek to buy and sell quickly without facing significant price slippage. Furthermore, these platforms have established reputations for providing secure trading environments and professional market analysis tools, which would bolster Pi's credibility and encourage broader participation in its ecosystem. A listing on these major exchanges would likely trigger a surge in demand as new investors recognize Pi as a legitimate asset. The increased exposure could also lead to heightened speculative interest, as people look to capitalize on potential price movements. With more buying pressure and increased visibility, Pi's price could experience significant upward momentum, especially as the mainnet launch nears and the token's utility grows. Additionally, exchange listings often come with added benefits, such as enhanced liquidity, market-making services, and promotional support from the exchanges themselves. These factors would help solidify Pi's position in the competitive crypto market and provide a foundation for long-term growth. Ultimately, securing listings on major exchanges would be a game-changer for Pi, paving the way for greater adoption, price stability, and the widespread recognition it needs to reach its full potential. Pi Network has potential, but like every crypto project, it carries risks. The key is staying informed and making strategic decisions. Do you think Pi is the next big thing, or do you have doubts? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto updates. See you in the next one.